Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you 2 delicious ways to cook okra. I'll be showing you how to cook okra the classic way, the very healthy bicarbonate of soda okra, commonly enjoyed in many parts of Africa. I'll also be showing you how to cook delicious fried okra, which is my personal favorite dish when it comes to okra. Let's get started. I start by cutting the okra into small pieces. I'm using about 500 grams of okra. I remove the tops and the ends. In a pot, add half a cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1 chopped medium-sized onion, half a cup of chopped tomatoes, and 2 whole chilies. Now add the chopped okra and bring everything to boil and mix well, cooking down the okra until we start to get a nice thick consistency. This dish cooks very quickly because of the bicarbonate of soda. Within 5 minutes at most, the dish is ready to serve. This recipe is usually enjoyed with sadza, isishwala, pap, or of course you can enjoy this as a soup or with bread. Now I'll be showing you how to cook fried okra. This is the perfect okra recipe if you love okra, but you're not a fan of the slimy but highly nutritious bicarbonate of soda recipe. Fried okra is mostly enjoyed in parts of Asia. My recipe is certainly inspired by Asia. I started by chopping the okra again into small pieces, removing the tops and the ends. I saved the ends and the tops for my compost bin. I add cooking oil to a pan. I'm using a cast iron pan here, which is great for this recipe as it retains heat. I then added 1 teaspoon Indian 5-spice seed blend. I fried this gently for about 20 seconds and then added chopped potatoes. Now you don't have to use potatoes, but I love potatoes as they bring additional depth and texture to this recipe. I then added the okra and fry all this together for about 3 to 5 minutes. I then added 1 teaspoon medium Kashmiri powder and a few whole chilies. This combined with the 5 spices brings so much flavor to the dish. Fry together for a further 3 to 5 minutes until the okra and potatoes are cooked. Now take them out of the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add 1 medium onion sliced and fry on low to medium heat until soft. Add 1 cup chopped tomatoes and mix well, and then add back the okra and potatoes and mix well, stirring like a stir fry. I added some olive oil just to add some extra depth. Not necessary, but this is an option. Finally, I'm adding 1 teaspoon salt right at the end. This is because if you add the salt at the beginning, the salt might draw out water from the okra, which is not what we want for this recipe. By frying everything together first and adding the salt last, we get the best outcome. The fried okra is ready to serve. I enjoy this recipe with rice, but you can certainly enjoy it with sadza, isishwala, pap, or bread. Let me know how you get on with the recipe if you do try it. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.